welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because I am doing one of my favorite things, some DIY projects for the holidays. They're super budget friendly and I made most of them for around $10 or under. So can't wait to share with you guys. But if you are new, my name's Melissa. I'm a girl mom to 3. I do lots of motherhood, lifestyle, DIY, vlog style videos. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you be part of my channel. But anyways, let's just get into it. So I got a lot of the supplies from various craft stores using coupons or shopping sale or clearance. I also got a lot of stuff from 99-cent store, dollar store. I also used some things that I had already around the house. This is super budget friendly and anyone can put something like this or similar to this together. Yeah, let's just go ahead and get right into it. So the first project that I wanted to do was to create my own wreath because I had been on the hunt for a wreath forever, and everything that I found that I loved was like $50 plus, and I don't know about you guys, but this girl is on a budget and I am not going to spend 50 bucks on a wreath. So I was so excited when I found this beautiful flocked plain wreath at Joann's. It was on a super deal and it goes perfect with my decor this year, which is kind of winter wonderland, just really like whites and light sparkles. It was $14.99 and I got it for $6.99, you guys, along with these snowflakes and these pine cones. They were 60% off, so I only spent like a few cents to $1 on each. I just added in my snowflakes and pine cones and I left on the stem. It's bendable and I kind of use that to secure it into the wreath just because I want to be able to change out this wreath next year if I do a different theme, so that way I can remove them from the wreath. But if you're wanting a more permanent solution, go ahead and hot glue that baby. And I'm obviously going super simple this year, and I'm sure in the future I will add more color later on. But if you are going for a more sparkly, colorful wreath, they had tons of stuff like this also for 60% off. That looks so cute in these wreaths, and this was so cheap, you guys. This wreath I made for under $10, and I saw these in store for $50 plus. That look almost exactly like this. My next project was to create a garland piece that could be used on the top of my girl's teepee just to make it more Christmassy and festive. So I got this garland again at Joann's for 60% off. So it was around $3. I also found this wreath, this small wreath, and this Happy Holidays sign at the 99-cent store. The wreath was $1.99 and the Happy Holiday sign was $1. I had these twinkle lights already that I used just for various things, but you can find them on Amazon. And here's my little one hanging out in the teepee. This is it, just plain, and then I'm going to add on the garland. And of course, you can't forget to fluff that garland. Then I'm going to add in my twinkle lights. Then I just add the little wreath and I'm going to add the sign. If you guys aren't decorating a teepee like this could also look really great on a mantle, in a windowsill, maybe as like a little party table topper, anything like that. I think this could work. So it's just the idea. How it turned out, and the kids thought it was so cute. I just threw in a little blanket that I had and some black and gray pillows. just wanted to dress up my existing centerpiece on my dining room table. It's just basic and this is what I have every day. So just by adding a couple little elements, it just looks more festive and sparkly. I added these little gold ornaments and just stuck them right into the plant. These gold cone Christmas trees were from the dollar store and they just add some height to the centerpiece. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you are inspired to do some of your own DIY projects, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Make sure, if you haven't already, you hit that subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.